What if I told you that a single cyber attack could cost your business hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars? And worse, what if your current insurance policy didn't cover it? The reality is that most business owners don't realize the gaps in their coverage until it's too late. Before disaster strikes, let's break it down. What you need to know about first-party and third-party cyber insurance. Hi, I'm Gordon Coyle. Welcome to my channel where we talk about the risk and insurance issues on the minds of business owners. As an expert business insurance broker, these videos are intended to help guide and educate decision makers, making you a more informed insurance buyer. If I don't answer the question on your mind that brought you this video, reach out and let's connect. I'd love to hear from you. Oh, and if you find this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks. All right, first party versus third party cyber coverage. What's the difference? Cyber threats are everywhere. Ransomware, data breaches, phishing scams, businesses of all sizes are at risk. But here's the problem. Many business owners assume their general liability or their BOP policy covers cyber incidents. It doesn't. That's where cyber insurance comes in. And within that, you need to understand the difference between first party and third party coverage. Let's start with first party. First party cyber insurance protects your business when a cyber attack occurs. It covers the direct financial losses and expenses your company faces as a result of a breach, attack, or an event. First-party coverages include protection for things like business interruption costs. If a cyber attack shuts down your business, this coverage helps you recover lost income. Cyber extortion and ransomware payments. If hackers demand a ransom, your policy may help pay it. Breach notification and credit monitoring. Many states require businesses to notify customers after a data breach. This coverage pays for those costs. Forensic investigations and crisis management. Cyber experts are often needed to determine how a breach happened and protect your reputation. These are covered events. Data restoration and system repair help cover costs to restore lost and damaged data and hardware and fix compromised systems. Here's a real-world example. A mid-sized law firm is hit with a ransomware attack, locking them out of their case files. The hackers demand $250,000 in cryptocurrency to restore access. Thankfully, the firm has first-party cyber insurance. Their policy covers the ransomware payment after consulting with cybersecurity experts, forensic investigations to identify how the hackers got in, the lost revenue from case delays, and legal compliance costs for notifying affected customers. Without insurance, the law firm would have to pay all of these expenses out of pocket, potentially putting their entire practice at risk. Now, what is third-party cyber coverage? Now, first-party coverage protects your business, but what happens when others, such as customers, vendors, or regulators, hold you responsible for a cyber incident? That's where third-party cyber liability comes in. It covers legal claims and financial damages caused by a cyber event affecting others. What does it cover? It covers things like lawsuits and legal defenses. If a customer sues because their data was stolen from your systems, this coverage helps with legal fees and settlements. Number two, regulatory fines and penalties. Government agencies can fine businesses for failing to protect sensitive data, such as HIPAA violations. Number three, liability for vendor and partner downtime. If your cyber breach disrupts a vendor's business, they may sue you for damages. Here's a real-world third-party example. A retail company experiences a point-of-sale system breach, exposing thousands of customer credit card numbers. Their third-party cyber insurance covers class action lawsuits that may come from affected customers, regulatory fines for failing to protect customer data, and legal fees for handling the case. Without cyber insurance, the retailer could face millions of dollars in lawsuits and fines. Now, I'm often frustrated by common misconceptions about cyber insurance when I speak with business owners, so let's talk about a few of them here. The first myth is, I already have general liability insurance, so I'm covered. The truth is that general liability policies and BOP policies do not cover cyber attacks or data breaches. You need a dedicated cyber policy. Myth number two, my business is too small to be a target. The truth is that small businesses are prime targets because hackers know they often have weaker security and they're easier to breach. Myth number three, we have strong IT security, so we don't need cyber insurance. The truth of the matter is that even the best security isn't foolproof. Cyber insurance covers financial losses when a breach occurs. Finally, let's answer some other frequently asked questions. And the first one, of course, is how much does it cost? Pricing will vary based on the size of a business, the industry you're in, security measures, and claims history. But most businesses pay somewhere between $1,000 and $10,000 a year for a $1 million policy. Next question is, do you need both first and third-party coverages? Yes. First-party covers your losses while third-party covers claims from others. Most cyber insurance policies bundle these into one policy, but where you get into trouble is when you try and add cyber coverage into a BOP policy and only get limited coverages and maybe no third-party protection. Question number 3, what industries are most at risk? The most at-risk industries are healthcare, finance, retail, law firms, basically any business handling sensitive data or online transactions. Question 4, how do I get the best cyber insurance for my business? That's easy. You work with an experienced broker like the Coyle Group who understands your industry's risks and can tailor a policy to your specific needs. We work with the top cyber insurers across the US to craft customized coverages. Cyber attacks are no longer a matter of if, they're really a matter of when. And without the right coverage, your business could face crippling financial losses. Don't wait until it's too late. Let's have a no-pressure conversation about how cyber insurance can protect your business. Contact us today to learn more. Our contact info is in the description box below. And again, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks.